We've always had this dream na in the future we'll be building a talent-led a system-led model more than just a talent-led model. So for us, the system infrastructure, maybe yung mga nakita nyo is what we have done and what we have been doing for this year. But for our roadmaps, we haven't been able to plot it and you haven't seen it. But soon, everyone and everything here in 1Z will be under one roof, from vertical integration to talent development, and syempre, to us to be a global cultural export. So yun po, maraming salamat po, and I know that you guys are actually here to listen to syempre, our visions and dreams, and we are here to co-build with you. And ayun, welcome to the new norm, and welcome to the new system. Welcome to the zone.